Hello, namaste and ciao and welcome to Asha's Spice Box. Today we are going to be cooking from my mother's cookbook, Table Food, Frangipanis and Flair. And this book has been awarded the European Gourmand Award for the most innovative food book. And this book has lots of recipes like khichdi, biryani, risotto and pastas. And when you say pasta, where do you get pastas? From Italy. And that means today we're going to make pasta, and it's called the Aglio e Oglio pasta. Shall we see the ingredients? For the Aglio e Oglio pasta, you need, of course, pasta, spaghetti, you need sea salt, you need garlic, you need dried chili, 2 ladleful spoons of your stock, pasta stock, salt, dried chili flakes, coriander, parsley, you need pepper, you need oregano, cheese, and you can add in some wine into the stock water. To make this Aglio e Oglio pasta, you need to first boil the pasta. So you need to take a pot, fill it up with water, and then you need to add in about 2 tablespoons of sea salt. Remember, it has to be salty, so add in that salt and let it boil. Put a little bit of natural salt if you have it. Then let it boil till you get a rolling boil. While this is happening, you can have some wine. Let it come to a full rolling boil, and then add in your pasta. Takes about 9 minutes. Keep the timer on. Let it come on to about get that al-dente texture, and then you drain it, bring it back on a plate, and we start cooking the Aglio Oglio pasta. You take a pan or a wok and you put in about 3 tablespoons to about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. After you've turned on the heat, the pan, and let it toast properly, the oil. Then put in the garlic and the dried chilies. Let that toast as well, about 1 to 2 minutes. Let that crispy texture come. Then you add in your pasta. Then you mix it up. Add in your salt, your chili flakes, your pepper and your oregano and your parsley, and mix it up and let it cook. Before that, to make it a bit, because it's already dry, you need to make it a bit moist. Add some stock, which you've already had before. Add about 2 ladles of that stock and some wine, and then put in some cheese. And voila, ladies and gentlemen. If you liked this recipe of Aglio Oglio, like, share and subscribe. Ta-ta, ciao, bye-bye.